Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Adarsha. Today I came up with one simple JavaScript coding interview question. It is related to string manipulation and array manipulation. As a JavaScript developer, it is really important to know how we can manipulate the string, how we can reverse the string, how we can play with the data. Once we receive from the backend, see whenever we request for something, we will receive the data from the backend. So we need to play with the data. Only if you know how to manage your data in the front end, then you will become a good developer, good front end developer. Okay, that is why interviewers are very curious to know how you are good at data manipulation. This is just the beginning. I will come up with more videos on string and array manipulations. So today we will see one simple interview question where we have to reverse the string. Okay, so let's begin. This is the given statement. Okay, we have to reverse each string in this statement only. So we are not reversing the complete statement itself. So we have to reverse only the each string in this statement. Okay, so first we will take this into one string. Okay, one variable. Okay, I have kept inside one variable now. Okay, so I will try to convert this into an array first. Okay, then it will be easy for we to reverse the strings or words whatever we want. Okay, see how we can do that. I will show you here. Okay, string dot split. There is one method called split. See, it will take one parameter here. See, if I don't specify, if I don't give any space here, okay, I will just give without any space, so it will split each letters. Okay, even the space will split. Okay, it will be considered as one element in the array, so it will convert this complete statement into an array with each elements. Okay, if I see this, now I have opened this in live server. Okay, see, each elements, each alphabetical letters will be converted into an array elements. Even the space is converted as one element here. Okay, so just by using the split method, see, if I give space here, you see we will have only four elements. See here, four letters are there. So with the space, based on the space, it will create the elements. The string will be converted into an array. Okay, now I will reverse the array. Whatever I have converted the statement into a string, and now I'm reversing that now. Okay, so if you see here, complete statement is reversed now. It is converted into an array. Okay, array with each elements now, and it also reversed. And now if you try to join, so there is one join method to convert the array into back to the string. Okay, so here also if you specify, you have to pass this, so space or without space. Now if you do that, see, now complete statement is reversed now. Also each letter in the string is reversed. You have to observe this. Now you store this, you store this into reversed string. You store this into one variable now. Okay, so now in this variable we have reversed string as well as the complete statement is reversed. Okay, try to convert that into an array now. Okay, using the split method again. Okay, now you should not use just double quotes. If you use that, again it will be converted as complete single elements. So now try to use space. Only we need each elements in the single string itself instead of single alphabets. Okay, now try to reverse that. Now we can apply the array methods, right? Now if you reverse it, each word will get reversed. Now each words will get reversed. and again you have to convert that back to string. You see now, okay? Just have to give space. That's all. This is what we wanted it, right? See, try to remember. See, how to convert the given string into an array. We have to use split method. Split can be used, and you should be careful here, okay? Whether you are converting the only words or all the letters. If you're converting only the words, then you should use space. If you don't want to convert the words, all the letters, means you have to just provide double quotes. Once we convert that string into an array using the split method, then we can apply the array methods. Not only reverse, even you can apply filter method, find method, whatever you want to, whatever the operation you can apply on arrays, we can apply it here. Okay, now we are reversing the complete array now, all the elements. Okay, so once it is reversed, see this exclamatory mark will go first as a zero index. Then we can convert that array into a string using join method. In JavaScript, we have this method to convert the array elements array into a string using join. Okay, here also we need to provide the separator. Basically, it is called separator. The separator plays major role. Okay, whenever you are playing with the data, whenever you are reversing, whenever you are converting strings into an array. Okay, then finally we are converting back to a string from the array. Okay, yes. So this is one simple interview question. Okay, so most of the interviewers will take this question. Is what we will do in real-time applications as well. So whenever we receive the data from the backend, we will play with the data. So you should be thorough in these methods. This is how we can reverse the string. This is just the beginning. I will come up with more videos on JavaScript interview questions. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. It gives huge motivation for me to make more videos on JavaScript. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.